Coughs, colds, flu, respiratory issues? This homemade syrup can alleviate all these symptoms and clear your lungs. Temperature changes cause respiratory issues like colds, flu, bronchitis, and coughs, and it has been happening in a lot of places in the world. One day is super cold, the next is super hot. But there is a homemade recipe that can ease the symptoms, a syrup made with bay leaf, sage, and chamomile. Bay leaf helps reduce thick mucus and airway congestion, besides having a soothing effect on the throat. Sage has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory actions, helping strengthen the immune system. Chamomile's properties reduce respiratory inflammation and alleviate symptoms of sinusitis, colds, and flu. See how to make this recipe. Write down the ingredients: 7 ounces of sugar, 10 ounces of water, 6 bay leaves, 7 pinches of sage, 1 tablespoon of chamomile. Put the sugar in a pan and take it to a medium heat until it becomes a caramel. Then add the water, reduce the heat to low, and stir until the caramel completely melts and turns into a thick syrup. In another bowl, mix the herbs. Put them in the sugar syrup and boil for 3 minutes until it starts bubbling. Turn off the heat, close the pan with a lid, and let the herbs infuse until the mixture cools down. Strain and pour into a sterilized glass jar with a lid. Keep your syrup in the fridge and use it whenever you have cold symptoms or feel the need to expectorate your lungs. Adults and teenagers can take 1 tablespoon of the syrup a few times during the day. But don't go too crazy with it. Children should take 1 teaspoon of it 3 to 5 times a day. Pregnant women cannot take this syrup as it can affect the development of the fetus. This homemade syrup made with natural ingredients helps clean the lungs, stops coughs, and alleviates cold symptoms. Try it and share your experience with us.